everybody? Welcome back to another spectacular episode of the Shoot Review. It's your boy Cam.
It's your boy Federico.
And y'all already know what's going on, man. We back with a new band.
Yeah.
What's the name of this band, man? What we got?
Flock of Seagulls.
Flock of Seagulls, man. That's a good name.
Yeah.
That is a good name. A flock of seagulls, man. Why seagulls specifically? Why seagulls, man? Is it because they're like, they're over there and they can just fly to pretty much anywhere?
Oh, probably because the seagulls had like the best view of all the birds, man. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
They probably had the best bird eye view of all the birds.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm. Like, man, a flock
Liverpool.
Of wow. All right, then. And we got so many bands out of the UK, man. It's
Insane.
Like, this got to be like
it's like
over 50.
What other English-speaking European country that puts out music like them? None. Like, it's just them. They're the only ones putting out all that music, man, pumping it out. And I feel like it's just... Is it because of the connection with the English between America and England?
Yep, it has to be.
They was able to pick it up so quickly?
Yep, and that's all it is.
I mean, the Aussies, they speak English, and they able to pick it up. So,
But they only put out so few. They haven't even touched.
But, right, yeah.
They haven't even touched the surface of what England has put out, man.
Yeah, you're right.
Like, it's a few.
Even our artists.
And they're good.
Even our artists, if they're struggling over here, they could go over to the UK.
And succeed.
And get on.
So, it's crazy, man.
Is that how we look at how they come over here with their acting?
Oh, man.
But no.
You could be on to something.
I'm not on nothing, man.
You don't think so?
No.
Because, we have the better actors.
You're right.
But I think it's because
we go over there, we giving them game.
Yeah.
When they come over here, we giving them game on how to act like us.
Exactly.
So, no, it ain't the same. But we're finna check out I Ran So Far Away.
Okay, man. Let's see what it's talking about. I love that album cover, man.
Yeah.
Wow, that's dope. That needs to be put on a shirt. Are those UFOs in the eyes?
Yeah, it is. Good pickup, man.
Oh, yeah, man.
That'll make me run, too.
Right.
Let's check it out and see what this is about, man.
Right. I can't wait, man.
Some of y'all wouldn't be running. Y'all be riding. Y'all be walking right up to that doggone UFO. Like, man, what
trying
is
to
that?
see what it is. Trying to go up there thinking you can defeat them. You probably going to be like, oh, I'm a big fan of the Second Amendment. And you're going to go up there and get beamed.
Get off my property.
Right. Come on, man.
Let's check out, man. I Ran So Far Away.
Let's do this, man. Before we get into this thing. So, some of y'all in the comments have been asking what these are, right? I'm going to keep it short and sweet. It's licorice. I don't even like licorice, but these... They hit. Like, these are real good. Like,
really good.
They just got like different flavors, so it's totally different from what you're used to. I got a pink lemonade flavor in here.
Well, make sure y'all try out that strawberry sour twist. That's my personal favorite. Follow the link, man, for that 15% off.
Please.
This is some good candy.
Get y'all stuff, man. They got some super fast shipping too.
2 to 4 a day, man. You can't beat that, man. From the website to your front desk, man. Snacking and listen to our videos and watching us, man. Thank y'all.
Man, y'all already know what to do. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications, man. Thank y'all so much. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Bro, that guitar.
Yep.
It's crazy.
Uh-huh. That junk is amazing,
But it's so
man.
simple.
Yep. Yep.
It's so clean. It's not loud at all, but it's loud enough for you to. It stands out. You know what I'm saying? And then that reverb, it just took the cake.
Man, what?
Oh man, this is like what do you call it? Cyberpunk almost like. Look
yeah. The Daft Punk. That's how I feel about it too.
Right. Daft Punk without the doggone mask.
Mm-hmm.
I couldn't get away. A cloud appears above your head. A beam of light comes shining down on you. Shining down on you. The cloud is moving nearer still. Aurora borealis comes into you. Aurora comes into you. And I ran so far away. I just ran all night and day. I couldn't get away.
Electric drum set.
Reached out a hand to touch your face. You're slowly disappearing from my view. Disappearing from my view. Reached out a hand to try again. I'm floating in a beam of light with you. A beam of light with you. And I ran so far away.
Is that a Roland synthesizer that he's playing with? Because he's not really. He's just mashing them.
Yeah,
He's making that
he
tone.
is just mashing them.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
He's, he lets it, then he'll switch to a different key. That's making that, when you look at it, okay, I'm hearing it now. He's not just messing with it. You can hear when he's changing, you can hear the tone of the song changing.
That's crazy.
I just ran all night and day. And I ran so far away. I just ran, I couldn't get away.
Hey, that was tough.
Man, that was tough, man. I was thinking about buying one of those, man. Those little keys. Keyboard,
Yeah.
for like mute, for like film scoring.
Ah, that would
Like
be
when,
dope.
like when the killer walks through the door.
Yep.
That's all you need it for.
Yep. I would use one of those for the
Yeah.
films too, man. I
Hook up
would
to the
most
mixing board.
definitely. Dang, man, that was a good song. How can you wait?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, man, my
I
guy
think I
knew what
might
he
have
was
heard
doing.
that on Grand Theft Auto Vice City or something. That's a straight
crazy.
up 80s.
Yeah, that's most definitely an 80s banger right there. You can tell.
You can see the people on there on the yacht.
Mm-hmm. Ah,
You know they did one too.
no way.
Way before Drewski.
What?
Yeah. But what you get is, man.
I'm gonna give that a 9.
Mm-hmm.
I loved everything about the song. I love the way it made me move. I don't know. I just feel like it was missing something. I don't know what it is.
I give it a 10 all day.
You give it a 10?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
It's just straight 80s, dude. It's just like
for sure.
it just takes you there.
Mm-hmm. Like, I don't know, man. It might have to get a 10.
Did away. I just like that.
I can't put my finger on what it's missing.
During the song's introduction, musical interludes, short guitar riffs are played, which make use of echo.
Mm-hmm.
So they're not using no special effects. That's just them for real, for real.
That's crazy.
Which make use of echo. Or did they use this to do it? They probably used this.
Man, look.
Delay pedal. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Man,
Yeah, I'm going to give it a 10.
Yeah.
Because no way. To create the sound of repeating and decaying echo, man, that's crazy.
So that was the little reverb type thing.
Mm-hmm. Damn, man. And you want to know something? Looking at that album cover, you can kind of picture what type of songs they would make. You know?
Oh, yeah.
You should be able to picture what type of songs they make, man.
New
And that
wave
was
synth pop.
1982. Dang. Bro, everything about it screamed 80s, bro. The way the singing was, the music being played, everything about it, bro. It's insane.
Oh, yeah.
It's insane.
So they had an album version, video version. And the radio edit. So what do we hear?
Hey, bro, them guys got aura, dog. They just sitting in their aura farming.
I walk along the avenue. I never thought I'd meet a girl like you. Meet a girl like you. With auburn hair and tawny eyes. The kind of eyes that hypnotize me with the road. You hypnotize me with the road. And I ran so.
Bro, I bet this got major play on MTV, dog.
Oh, for sure. For sure.
You know I got major play on MTV. My man right here was dripped out right here with
Yeah,
the shades,
facts.
dog. I got to get me some shade like for bosses too.
Oh, man, you got to have something like that, man. No lie. We got to figure out what type of shades those are, dog. Because them junks are so tough.
Oh, yeah.
No, boy, Aura Farming.
Yeah, man, I got to find out what kind of keyboard that is. Yeah.
Like, man, that boy Fred said he got to make some purchases.
Yeah,
That boy
this
finna
is
be
dope.
on Amazon.
This is dope.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, any more flock of seagulls?
Yeah, man, let us know down below, man. I'm rocking with this group, man. I'm rocking with this group, man.
Yeah.
10s across the board, man. Can't even lie to you, man. Can't even lie to you. I think that's all we got for y'all today,
That's
man.
it, man.
Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications. And with that being said, y'all, we out.
Peace.
My man running like Tom Cruise on an action movie. Moving a mission, they say that I'm tripping. I've been told I need a vacation, I'm finessing a visit.